Hello, this is another artifact for 2C. It maybe could go with others as well, but I felt like it most closely went with 2C, which is managing classroom procedures, which is going to help with smooth functioning of routines, little or no loss of instructional time, students playing an important role in carrying out the routines, and students knowing what to do and where to move, which this is, it's always important, but it's especially important in a blended course when a significant amount of the time you're not face to face. So students need to really know what it is that they're supposed to be doing. And so I thought one way that I could show this, there was another video where I talked about my Moodle page and how to make that easy to navigate. But I want to show here how I communicate with students on a regular basis. And so I just pulled up kind of the message log that records of how often I send students messages and kind of the content of those messages. So I won't bore you too much here, but just this would have been just yesterday. So this is usually a 2 to 3 times a week kind of thing. Again, just kind of giving people, hey, this is what you're supposed to be doing, So for today during the blended lesson, these are the lessons they're supposed to be working on. I try to make it as easy as possible for them to be successful. So these are the lessons. There's links in there, try to make it as few steps as possible. So just go to this link and it will take you right where you need to be. Here's another link where, so these are the 2 things that you're working on today. This is what we're going to be working on Friday. This is why it's important that you do these things. As always, if you need anything, let me know. So that would have been today. I think I try to send one Friday, the end of each week, in preparation for the following week. And so I try to give an entire week kind of the preparation. What are we doing that following? Like, what days are we going to meet in person? What days are we going to be blended so kids can plan out their schedule? Try to give them plenty of time beforehand. So, and sometimes we have to tweak things, but Monday we're meeting in person, Tuesday meeting in person, Wednesday to be determined. Usually, I'll let them know. I let them know on Monday that we would be blended on Wednesday, but just a lot of communication up front. When tests are going to be, when assessments are due, those kind of things. And so you can see, every few days or so, we had spring break there, but you can see pretty frequent communication there with students so they know. And this is just with the entire class. This wouldn't be just, this doesn't count, individual communication. So just wanted to show that. And if you have questions, we can talk more about it. Thank you.